A shopping mall, though shopping center, covers many more sizes and types of centers than the North American mall. Other countries may follow US usage and others follow UK usage. Many malls have declined considerably, and some have closed and become so-called dead malls. Successful exceptions have added entertainment and experiential features, added big box stores as anchors, or converted to other specialized shopping center formats such as power centers, lifestyle centers, factory outlet centers, and festival marketplaces. The International Council of Shopping Centers classifies two types of shopping centers as malls: regional malls and superregional malls. A regional mall is as per the International Council of Shopping Centers. In the United States, a shopping mall with 400,000 square feet to 800,000 square feet gross leasable area with at least 2 anchor stores. A superregional mall is, per the International Council of Shopping Centers. In the US, a shopping mall with over 800,000 square feet of gross leasable area, 3 or more anchors, mass merchant, more variety, fashion apparel, and serves as the dominant shopping venue for the region in which it is located. Not classified as malls are smaller formats such as strip malls and neighborhood shopping centers, and specialized formats such as power centers, festival marketplaces, and outlet centers. On the other hand, in some countries, many shopping centers less than half or a quarter of the size of the US minimum to be considered a mall, 400,000 square feet, have mall in their names. See list of shopping centers in Namibia or list of shopping centers in Zambia for examples. The world's largest malls with over 500,000 square meters of gross leasable area are in China, Thailand, and the Philippines, more than half again as large as previous contenders such as the Dubai Mall. The International Council of Shopping Centers classifies Asia-Pacific, European, US, and Canadian shopping centers into the following types. Abbreviations: SC equals shopping center, center. GLA equals gross leasable area. NLA equals net leasable area. AP equals Asia Pacific. EU equals Europe. CAN equals Canada. US equals United States of America. Asterisk does not apply to Europe, aka large neighborhood shopping center in US. Canada. Shopping centers in general may have their origins in public markets and, in the Middle East, covered bazaars. In 1798 the first covered shopping passage was built in Paris. The Passage du Caire, the arcade in Providence, Rhode Island, claims to be the first shopping arcade in the United States in 1828. In the mid-20th century, with the rise of the suburb and automobile culture in the United States, a new style of shopping center was created away from downtowns. Early shopping centers designed for the automobile include Market Square, Lake Forest, Illinois, and Country Club Plaza, Kansas City, Missouri. The suburban shopping center concept evolved further in the United States after World War II with larger open-air shopping centers anchored by major department stores, such as the 550,000 square foot Broadway Crenshaw Center in Los Angeles, built in 1947. Anchored by a 5-story Broadway and a May Company, California. In the late 1950s and into the 1960s, the term shopping mall was first used, but in the original sense of the word mall, that is, a pedestrian promenade. Although Bergen Mall led other suburban shopping centers in using mall in their names, these types of properties were still referred to as shopping centers until the late 1960s, when the term shopping mall started to be used generically for large suburban shopping centers. The enclosed shopping center, which would eventually be known as the shopping mall, did not appear until the mid-1950s. One of the earliest examples was the Valley Fair Shopping Center in Appleton, Wisconsin, which opened in March 1955. Valley Fair featured a number of modern features including central heating and cooling, a large outdoor parking area, semi-detached anchor stores, and restaurants. Later that year the world's first fully enclosed shopping mall was opened in Luleå, in northern Sweden, and was named Shopping. The region now claims the highest shopping center density in Europe. The idea of a regionally sized, fully enclosed shopping complex was pioneered in 1956 by the Austrian-born architect and American immigrant Victor Gruen. This new generation of regional-size shopping centers began with the Gruen-designed Southdale Center, which opened in the Twin Cities suburb of Edina, Minnesota, United States in October 1956, for pioneering the soon-to-be enormously popular mall concept in this form. Gruen has been called the most influential architect of the 20th century by Malcolm Gladwell. The first retail complex to be promoted as a mall was Paramus, New Jersey's Bergen Mall. The center, which opened with an open-air format in 1957, was enclosed in 1973. Aside from Southdale Center, significant early enclosed shopping malls were Haroondale Mall in Ph.